Hello, this is Eric of Not BIOS Tech and Reviews. I'm here to talk about the MSI MEG 342C Quantum Dot OLED. Now this is the same panel as in the Alienware AW3423DW and the F version as well, but we have different specifications. The release date of this particular monitor, if you're in the Taiwanese Asian markets, the monitor should be released this month in March. However, if you're in the North American market, such as the US and Canada, you're looking at around the end of April. A bit of a delay depending on stock, as we did on my particular MSI monitor right behind me. The beautiful part about this being OLED is that true black level, whether you're using true black 400 HDR or 1000, we don't have a backlight to deal with, so you have definite black. So when the pixel's off, it is off. Compared to the LG version, well, the LG version is not going to be as accurate as the quantum dots of this monitor. Get better color performance on this, and it's going to be more accurate and vivid and lifelike on the quantum dots versus the 240 Hertz WOLED. Ultra wide, which means depending on the use case, you could get black bars. So if you're a console gamer, none of your games are going to be ultra wide. That means you're going to expect those black bars on the left and right side, such as certain movies on Amazon Prime. Well, you'll have that full screen, so you're good there. How about PC gaming on an ultra wide? Is where you normally have the black bars, you're actually seeing wider. So you can see the enemy on left and right, where you're wondering normally on a normal screen, where are they? And you're looking around. So this gives you more viewpoint. If I was a full screen, you can't see me. I can just be shooting at you, like be the enemy on the side. Because if you have a regular size aspect ratio screen, it could be the case you're looking around and trying to figure out what is actually shooting at me. And you can't see them because, well, wider view does help that way. Racing games, you don't feel like you're such a stuck small point of view. You can see more on the sides. The monitor resolution is 3440 by 1440. And what this means is it's a 1440p resolution, but stretched out. A normal 1440p monitor is 2560 by 1440p. So this means your performance frame rate when GPU limited is going to be a bit lower. It is AMD FreeSync Premium Pro in the monitor. Adaptive Sync is FreeSync. It's AMD's branding, so we have that. And we have low frame rate compensation using FreeSync Premium Pro. That allows doubling of the frame rate when it's below 48 Hertz to stay within that tear-free window. This monitor has a USB 3.2 Gen 1 USB Type B port, that is this shape one, 2 USB 3.2 Type A ports. Display alternate, that is display port, and a power delivery charging port of up to 65 watts. So this is one port that can either charge or display output. Has a KVM switch, so it can have multiple computer systems and control them all through one keyboard and mouse when connected to the monitor's USB ports. For pixel burn-in prevention, we have MSI OLED Care, and that is built into the MSI Gaming Intelligence software. So this way we can set pixel shift and we can set up pixel protect. So this way we can set our time and when we need it required, all through the software. In terms of cooling fans, this has a cooling fan just like the other quantum dot OLEDs. Lower brightness, lower heat will ramp down the fan, or more brightness and more heat will make the fan speed go up. When it comes to adjustability, we have a tilt adjustment of -5 to 20 degrees, no swivel, no pivot, but we have a height adjustment of 0 to 100 millimeters. However, the Alienware has a swivel angle of -20 to 20 degrees, no swivel on the MSI. And at the back end, we have a VESA mount of 100 by 100 millimeters. So if you're looking to desk mount or TV stand mount it, that is what you are looking for. The F model of the Alienware is more similar to this, but the F model is kind of F'd by 10 Hertz. Well, this one, you get the full kit and caboodle at 175 Hertz without having a specific G-Sync module. Still G-Sync compatible, so as long as you have a 1000 model card, they call it 10 series, to 2000, 3000, 4000 plus, you're going to have the G-Sync compatible. And the main thing for that is going to be to defeat the possibility of image tearing. When it comes to the MSI monitor, we have HDMI 2.1 versus 2.0. That means we have more bandwidth, and you're not going to be limited in frame rate if you use HDMI 2.1. Even if you're using a PC, you can get the full 175 Hz at full resolution, unlike the Alienware. Especially if you're a console gamer, the choice is obvious. HDMI 2.1, 100% if you're a console gamer. No doubt about it, period. End of story. Because HDMI 2.1 gives you the full resolution and the HDMI 2.0 does not. This is Eric of Not BIOS Tech and Reviews. Thanks for watching and have yourselves a most wonderful day.